As my very wise and capable grandpa would say, here we go, boys and girls. So I'm currently carrying some signs, some signposts, a chainsaw, an impact drill, a normal drill, a folding saw, a hoe, 3 liters of water, screws, a couple t-shirts. So let's do this. So I spend a lot of time looking at maps, trying to figure out where I want the trail to go. Then I go and I build it, and I spend hours of time trying to build it. Then after that, I look at the map again for several minutes to hours, trying to figure out where do I want the trail markers to be, where are the intersections, and then how far is it from this point to the next point, and then I design the signs, which isn't that hard. I sent my stuff to the printer. He's like, "Is this everything?" And I said, "Yes, sir, I am certain that is everything." So he prints it, I pick it up, I go into the jungle and I put the signs out. Only for me to realize I forgot the most important sign for this new trail, which is at the very beginning. I got them all the way through the darn thing and all the way back out. At the initial trailhead, I forgot them. It took a week before I get back out to finish marking stuff, but I got this sign up. I'm going to put a little overhang roof over it in the future. I just didn't have space to get it in my car today. So then we got the map. We got the free space over there for announcements or trail closures or things like that. The map here is oriented how you're looking as if this wasn't here. So if you kept looking straight through, you would see you got intersection there. Then your left is your left, your right is your right. Less likely to get lost, and then you have a better idea of how to anticipate things. And then that's pretty typical of like bike parks and stuff with a lot of gravity oriented trail. Where you have a sign, you want it kind of near the trailhead, and you can know better what to anticipate. When you look at this north oriented, you have to kind of flip everything around and it gets a little confusing. So from here, people are guaranteed they have to go past this sign to get to this trail. So we've had some incidents. I would show you the videos that I have been given from this, but I don't want to embarrass anybody. But people have not handled this correctly. So we want to make sure people are aware of their limits and what the trail markings mean. So so that's going to be there. It's going to look like a nice trailhead kiosk. Once I get the roof on it, I'm going to paint it. I used some steel angle iron to get in the ground. It was easier to drive those in than to use some wood, and things are going to eat the wood. So I'm just going to paint this with some oil-based stuff, and it'll last a whole lot longer than having wood with direct contact in the ground, because we can't really get pressure treated stuff here. And if you want to get the really hardwood, it's really expensive. So might as well, this is half the price for a 7.5 foot piece. It's like $3, whereas a piece of wood the same size was like $8-9. Ridiculous. So this is cheaper and it's gonna last longer. So we'll get it looking real pretty here in a second, and I'll show you the finished product. I left a stone hammer out of that list of things I was carrying.